Engagement of the services of Quacks and the use of substandard materials for building and other construction projects have been blamed for the frequent collapse of buildings and other infrastructures in Nigeria. This was a thrust of the message of the Nigerian Institution of Civil Engineers during a walk against building and infrastructure collapse in Warri to mark the 2025 day of the institution. The report.
Members of the Warri branch of the Nigerian Institution of Civil Engineers took their work against building and infrastructural collapse in Nigeria through some major roads and streets in Warri metropolis. The street walk by the Warri branch was part of the nationwide campaign by the body to raise awareness of the possible causes of building and infrastructural collapse and solutions. The message was simple. Property developers should avoid the services of quacks and use of substandard materials in their building and infrastructural projects. Deputy National Vice Chairman of the Nigerian Institute of Civil Engineers, Professor Sonny Emeka Ali, the Delta State Chairman of the body, Engineer Akpoteyire Erin Akpe, and Delta State Chairman of Engineers Warri Branch, Chief Benjamin LC, appealed to government at all levels to double effort at curbing the frequent collapse of buildings and projects in Nigeria.
Today we are conducting a walk against building and infrastructure collapse, which has become a menace in this country, and we are against it. The Nigerian Institution of Civil Engineers all over the country and represented here by Warri chapter, we say a big and capital no to that. We cannot accept a situation where we have the skills, we have the knowledge, we have the experience, yet what we should do are rightly taken away by quacks.
There are like four general basic causes of building collapse. One is poor planning, and in the planning it has to do with both the process the government has in place for you to get your building approved. Use the right professional. When you use a competent professional, you use the right person, he will tell you a lot. First of all, he will guide you not to make mistakes. He will help you to ensure you don't spend money. I've seen a lot of projects. In fact, there's one of my colleagues is handling now. They have messed up everything. They have used a quack. After that, you now bring somebody who is a professional. You have wasted money, and you know all those kind of things. It's not necessary. Use the right people to do the right job.
When you want to build your house, use a really qualified engineer, certified one to do your job, so that everything you need, he will give you the necessary advice. The advice he will give you will make sure say, one, you don't waste your money, because if the house you build and finish occupied, one day from now you say house fall. If people not die, the money you don't take build and all don't waste.
Members of the Nigerian Institution of Civil Engineers advised residents of Warri and its environs to always engage the services of professionals in the designs and construction of their property.